Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be creating this a full glam makeup look, and this is how the look turned out to be. And yeah, if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this a dark spot correcting glow serum, and this serum has really faded my dark spots and also corrected the dark circles under my eyes. So applying it all over my face. After putting this serum, I just leave it on for a while. Then for primer, I'm going on with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and this is a liquidy formula. It's like this, and makes your makeup last for a long time. I apply mostly on the center of my face where it gets most oily, and then I apply it with my hands. Then for foundation, I'm going on with this L'Oreal Infallible 32-hour foundation, and the shade is a Mild Honey and Dew Beige. I mix these two foundations. Then with a flat brush, I apply it on my face. This foundation is really lightweight, and it also lasts very long. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundation. Apply it with a brush like this so that it's full coverage. And with a rounded brush, I just tap the foundation. I first go on with this brush and then go on with a beauty blender as well, so that it's evenly blended all around the face. Blending is a key to make your makeup look good, and I just blend it all over my face. For concealer, I'm going on with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade a Pure Beige, and I just apply it under my eyes. A little goes a long way, and I don't apply too much as it might crease my under eyes. Mostly the places where I have discolorations. I also highlight my face with this concealer. Then I blend it all around. Just make sure that it's completely blended because concealer tends to grease very easily. I also apply some leftover on my eyes as a base for the eyeshadow. Then for contour, I'll be using this LYS contour stick. And while using this contour stick, I apply on the back side of my hand like this, so that the contour is not that harsh. And then I apply it on the brush, and then start from my cheekbones and gradually move upwards. Since my face is a bit rounded, so I apply on this area, and then some of on the forehead and on the jawline as well. Apply it on my nose like this. And the trick of contouring my nose is applying first like this, then Just putting the highlighter in the middle. Using this cream blush, and I don't know which brand is this from, but it's really pigmented. I just apply it on the back side of my hand first, then I apply it on my cheeks, then I apply it on the higher points of my cheeks. A little goes a long way, and just blend it. You just want your makeup to look as seamless as possible. For lip balm, I'll be using this Laneige lip sleeping mask, and this lip mask is very good for hydration, and your lips are not dry for a long time. For setting powder, I'll be using this Pink Lips setting powder, and I apply it mostly on the center of my face. I bake it under my eyes. Just apply it where you get most oily. You want your makeup to last all day, and apply it on the forehead as well. And apply mostly on the T-zones and just leave it for a while. Since my skin is a bit oily, that's why. For eyeshadow, I'll be using this BH Cosmetics Naughty Palette. And for that glam look, I'll be using the shade named Secret Santa. While applying lighter shade, it's very easy to work. Mostly you have to work on the darker shades as it tends to be a little bit difficult. So yeah, I just blend it with this fluffy brush on both sides of my eyes. For the outer crease, oh my god. Then for the outer crease, I'll be using this shade. I don't know how to pronounce this shade. This is a little dark brown shade, and I apply it on the outer part of my eyes. A little bit, just a little bit goes a long way, and just blend it all around. Just make sure you tap off the excess product on both sides of my eyes. I want this look to be a little bit smoky as well as like glittery. For that glittery shade, I'll be going on with this shade named Jingle Bells, and I'll be applying with my fingers as it will provide me a lot of pigment, mostly on the front of my eyes. This glitter is really pigmented. For eyeliner, I'll be using this AOA Studio liquid eyeliner. While applying eyeliner, I just suggest you guys to take a little bit of the product, then gradually build it. And for my lower lashes, I'll be using this shade again. Just apply mostly on the outer end of my eyes, or just a little bit. And then for lipstick, I'll be using these two shades, and it's from Pierre Cardin, and the shade is 327, and Golden Rose in the shade number 47. I mix these two shades and then apply it. So yeah, this is how the look turned out to be. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed my video, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.